Now. Yes. Children, you are finding within a second. Okay. Now, is 800 a perfect cube or not? So, either zero ending, even number. Either we can use a even number being an even number. We can use a 2, or I can use ending in 0. I can use a 5. Okay, so 5. If you can't do directly, you can do the division and can copy the answer, right? 1 5s are 5, remainder 3 here, so 30. 6 5s are 30, the 0 extra will come down. Okay, so 160. Now Trinity, quietly listen. No answers now. Okay, now 3 5s are, Safa Mariam, stop talking. Where is that? What is this? Stop talking and listen to what I say. 5 3s are 15, 15, 16 minus 15, 1 remainder, 10, 5 2s are 10. Okay, then you won't understand then. 2, 1 2s are 2, remainder 1, 12, 6 2s are 12. So 16 2s are 32. Again 2, 8 2s are 16. Again 2, 4 2s are 8. Again 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 1 2s are, here I am writing 1. Okay, 1 2s are 2. Last step. Nothing is there. 2 we are dividing by 2. I am getting a 1. Okay. Now we have to list out this. Okay, we have to list out such that we will know whether it is a perfect cube or not. Now the factors of this are 5 and 5 prime factors. In a line I am writing 1 2 3 4 5 5 2s. Okay, 5 2s are there. This one no need to write. So these are the prime factors of this number. Now we can see that 5 is repeated 2 times. And these 3 form a pair. All 3 form a cube. 2 2 2, no problem at all. Here only 2 2s are there. One more 2 we need to make a cube. Here one more 5 is needed to make a cube. So first thing, this is not a perfect cube. No. This number is not a perfect cube. Why? Because we need one more 5 and one more 2 to make it a perfect cube. One more 5 is needed and one more 2 is needed, which means 5 2s are 10 is needed. 10 means we should multiply the number by 10, not adding. Okay. So when I multiply this 800 by 10, I will get a perfect cube. 8000 will get. 8000 will be a perfect cube. When I do prime factorization, I will get all the numbers 3333 will get. Okay, like that way. So this number 800 is not a perfect cube. Why? Because only 2 5s are there. 1 5 is missing. Only 2 2s are there. 1 2 is missing. So 5 and 2, 10. The 10 is needed to make it a perfect cube. Like this also the questions will be. For that only I am telling this. First, in this question, it is only whether it is a perfect cube or not. Yes, no, it is not a perfect cube. Be completed. What do we need to make it a perfect cube? Like this, the questions will be. What do we need? What do we need? We need one more 5 and one more 2, that is 10, to make it a perfect cube. Like this, questions will be there along with this. Understood clearly? This is an example sum. You can go through the textbook, page number 49. So yesterday we have seen about perfect cube. This is not a perfect cube. Both the things we know. Why it is not a cube, we understood. Still more for better understanding, we will enter into the exercise now. Same type of questions we are going to see. Question number 1 and 2 we completed already. Then only I started explaining about perfect cube, right? Question number 1, direct multiplication we completed. Question number 2, digits in the ones place we completed that both. 2 sums. Now we are in the question number 3, page number 49, which says What is the question? Which of the following numbers is a perfect cube? Show your reasoning. Whether it is a perfect cube or not. Then show your reasoning. B and D we can do. 1728 I already completed. So I will select some other thing only. Now B and D we will do. A and C homework sum. Let me select this 3025. Whether to find as a, just now we told example, no? Same pattern only now we are going to do. Now, ending in 5. Let me first do the prime factorization method. The number ending in 5. So do at 5. If you don't know to do directly, it's better to do like this. Because see, when you do directly, what happens? You may leave a mistake. See here, 30 I am taking. 6 5s are 30. Then 2 won't come in 5 tables. So I have to write a 0. Then only 5 5s are 25. Many will write 65 here. As far I know, many children will do like that. 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 30, 0. 2 only down. 2 will not go in 5 table. 0 5s are 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Then this 5 to bring down. 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 25, 0. 6 0 5. See here, it doesn't go. So 0 here, 0 5s are 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Then only 5 in the next step. In one step in division, I can bring only one number. That is the rule. In one step, cannot bring two numbers. It is a perfect cube. Fazil and Harihara Sudhana saying, let me check that. I don't think it is a perfect cube. Let me see. Now, 6 5s are 30, 0. Then this one I copied. 5 table again. 1 5s are 5, remainder 110, 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5, 121. I know that 11, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 all prime numbers. I can use 11. 11 11s are 121 because it is easy. I know that. Again 11 is a prime number. 11 ones are 11. So stopping at 1. Okay. Now let me list out where it is the perfect thing. Cube we are talking about. We are not talking about squares. Okay. No square root, nothing. 5 and 5 are the factors. And 11 and 11 and 1. 1 should not write. 11 and 11. See where we are getting 3 3. I want a perfect cube means 3 times. I have only 2 times. I have only 2 times. So first we should write no. This is not a. This means this number is not a perfect cube. PR I am writing in simple words. In the material we'll write everything detailed. No, this number 3025 is not a perfect cube. So what do we need to make it a perfect cube? Give reasoning also they want. So reasoning means why it is not. Why? Because we need, this is not a perfect cube. We need one more 5 and one more 11. One more 5, one more 11. Then only 3 times 5 will be, 3 times 11 will be. Cubing means writing 3 times. We want all the prime factors 3 times. Then only it's correct. For a cube, perfect cube. Now we need one more 5, one more 11. We need 55 to make this number a perfect cube. That's all we should write. So this number should be multiplied with 55 to get a perfect cube. This alone, if we write, that is enough. No need to do the multiplication until. That and all, no need. Just our work is to, I'll make it dark. It's looking light in the mobile phone. So one more 5 is needed. One more 11 is needed. So 5 and 11. We need 55 more, 55 times more. 55 multiplied by this number to make it a perfect cube. Since this number is not a perfect cube. Understood clearly? This one, let us do one more sum. Now you will do this. You try this now. I will do same prime factorization. Now we did many examples. This is easy. 6,000. Okay, now do this 6,000. I will erase this so that I will get more space here. So that I want to start here. Yes. Now start doing this prime factorization and show me. Yes. Harihara Sudan did also. You must show me. Then only I will believe. I'll move my distant screen. 6,000. Keep on doing by slowly by prime factors and list out the factors. Then we will discuss. What is it we will do? I'll write here whether, then we'll find out whether it is a perfect cube or not. Slowly do, it keeps on coming. At one only you should stop it. For that only I wrote at the top. So that I'll be doing up to here. Yes. Harihara Sudan, 5 cube, 2 cube, 2, 3. 5 cube, 2 cube, 2, 3. Super, correct boy. Good. Good, correct. It is not a perfect cube because the factors don't come in threes. Groups of 3, which I mean, okay, they don't come in groups of 3. It is not a perfect cube. What we must do, I will write that. Let some more children to do. Thank you. What thank you, Harihara Sudan? Oh, for this thank you. Okay. I thought period over. Not a perfect cube. Super. Very good. Fasil Ahmad, good. Correct. Either you can use 2 or 3 or 5. First you can use 5, then later you can use your wish. It must be a prime number. Don't use 4. Okay? Always keep in mind to use only the prime numbers while doing. Only prime. Because the method itself says it is a prime factorization. Fasil and Harihara Sudan are very fast. Just show me the factors alone. Then I will be doing. With what is needed, I will tell you. Which number? That and all I will find out. We will tell, you check with your answer. By practice only max comes. For that reason only. And moreover, we did 4, 5 prime factorization methods already. That's what? Sanjana, Amrita, Vincent, Vachika, Nushri, Pugalindi, Salvia, Monica. Yes, Salvia, Angeline, ready. Yeah, super. What is needed, ma? 2 and 5 needed. Prime factorization is correct only. 2 and 5 needed, that I'm having a doubt. Let me see. Sanjana. Sorry. Sanjana, Pugalindi.
போடா பைக்கு சரி போடா அதான் சைக்கும் அதான் சட்டையெல்லாம் கிழிச்சுட்டான் மா
Who is shouting? Amma.
Jude ma'am.
Mute yourself. Okay now. Otherwise, you will shout like anything. Okay. John Emil. Okay, ma. By mistake, he unmuted. Okay. Okay. Now look at my thing and please check your answer with your answers. Okay. Now 6,000. 0 ending, ma. So I want to start with 5. 1 5s are 5, 20. 1 5s are 5, 1 2 5s are 10, 0 0. Okay. 12 5s are 60, 00. Then again with 5. If you want, you can do by 2 also. Okay. Those who are showing very good, please check your answer. 2 5s are 10, remainder 2, 20, 2 5s are 10, remainder 20, 4 5s are 20, and then 0. Okay. Then again I'm doing with 5. 5 4s are 20, 40, 8 5s are 40. Now never use another number, any other number other than prime. Don't use 4 and all. Only 2 or 3. I can use 3 also, 2 also. Let me use 2 only. 3 also will go actually. But as you will do, like that I'll do. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Mostly will be doing this only. Again 2. 1 2s are 2 2s are 2. 3 times I will bring. 6 2s are 12. So up to this we got. After 6 I will do here. Okay, here it's no place. So only either we can use 2. Let me use 2 only. 3 2s are 6, 3, 1. Stop. Now I am listing the prime factors here. 1 2 3, 5 power 3. 5 into 5 into 5. That only I wrote as a short ma. These 3 5s I wrote. Now 1 2 3, 3 2s I wrote. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times I wrote. Now 2 and 3 alone are here. Then 1 comes to leave off this. This 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alone I am writing. Now, what is this? These both are in cubes. No problem. Both are correct. Now, we want, for this only we want. I want in groups of 3 because to make it a perfect cube. 1 2 is here. 3 2s I want. 1 2 is here. 2 2s I want. So, first thing, no. It is 6,000 is not a perfect cube. First thing is this. 6,000 is not a perfect cube. So what we need? What we need, I am writing here. Here no place. This you understood, no? Prime factorization. You will be getting all this in the material, don't worry. We need, see, 3 2s we want. 1 2 is here. So 2 more 2s I want. I want 2 into 2 and 1 3 is here. 3 3s, 1 3 is here. 2 3s I want. So I want this many numbers to make this a perfect cube. No, 6,000 is not a perfect cube because we need this. What is this? 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. I want 36, 9 3, 9 4s are 36. I want 36 more to make this, yeah, to make 6,000, yeah, perfect cube. 6,000 must be multiplied by 36 and a number will come. Then only it will be a perfect cube. So I want 36 more to make this a perfect cube. Okay, this number, why it is not a perfect cube? Because these two, when I kept on dividing by prime numbers, I got 3 times 5, which is okay, groups of 3. I got 3 times 2, groups of 2, okay. These both are okay. Whereas this both doesn't come in groups of 3. 1 2 was there, 2 2s were missing. 1 3 was there, 2 3s were missing. So this many more we need. Understood clearly? We want 36 more to make this 6,000 a perfect cube. Everything clearly I will be sending in the material. What and all I am saying now, this all will be there. Now just understand clearly. This is about perfect cubes we are talking. Don't never confuse square roots and cube roots. Square everything 2, 2, 2. Here everything groups of 3, 3. And here no root, cube roots, nothing. Now I am doing only about cubes. No, nothing like this. Okay, there we used to use the root. Yes, that is the main difference. Easy chapter, both are easy. First 10 chapters in 8th standard book, all interesting will be. I like all chapters. Then only somewhat difficult chapters will start. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4 and 3 both are same. Now question number 3 we completed B and D. Okay, 3 la I told you B and D we completed. Now look at the question number 4 if you have a textbook. What it says? Question number 4 says, in question number 3, for all those numbers which are not perfect cubes, find a number that can be multiplied with the number so that the product is a perfect cube. Already we answered that already. That's what I took 2 numbers which are not perfect cubes and we told that what should be multiplied with that to make it perfect cube. So question number 4 is same. Question number 3 only. 3BD only. We already told graph chapter data handling, it will be there, ma. Data handling, ma. That is. B and D we completed. Both were not a perfect cube. And we told that what must be multiplied. They are asking that only in question 4. What number must be multiplied? Just now I erased. 36 must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. They are asking that number. So we told that. So question number 3 and 4 are related to each other, same question. That's what we told already in question 3 itself. What is that? So 1 over, 2 over, 3 over, 4 over. Question number 5. Easy. Be thorough on the same day, go through what I am teaching. Express the following as a sum of the odd numbers. Very easy. 9 cube, 11 cube. 2 questions are there. Let me do one thing. One classwork, one homework will give. What I did in the material, let me see. I did both. Okay. 9 cube. Then another time also again question number 7 also we have the same thing. Find the following cube without actual multiplication. 8 cube, 9 cube, 11 cube, 10 cube. Again it is repeated. So now itself we will do 9 cube and 11 cube. That time no need. Question number 5 and 7 similar questions. Write as a sum of odd numbers also same. Find out the cubes without actual multiplication. That is also same. First, both the questions are same. First thing to calculate the first addend. To calculate the first addend. Addend means I want to write as a sum of odd numbers. No. First odd number I want. For that, the formula is n into n minus 1 plus 1. Very important. First addend. I need to write as a sum of odd numbers. Question is write this as a sum of odd numbers. I cannot start at 1 and 3 and 5. No. Because it's a cube. Okay. In cube roots, in cubes question, we should use this formula to get the first addend. I taught you in example sum. 2 examples we have seen already. Here, n is equal to 9. Okay, look at this. 9 into 9 minus 1 plus 1. 9 into 9 minus 1 plus 1. 9 into 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 8s are plus 1. 9 8s are 72 plus 173. This is the first addend, which means starting number 73. So how I have to write? I will write by erasing here. This alone will erase. The question I will write here. This is about 9 cube question. Now, after this step, 73 we got no starting number. Sum of the first 9 odd numbers. 9 odd numbers starting from 73. This is what we have found. How many numbers to write? Only odd. 73, 75. Leave one even number in the middle. Write only odd numbers. We will get automatically the answer. 77, 79, 81, 83, and 85, 87. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 numbers I must write. Because 9 cube. 9 cube is equal to this all. By adding this, automatically I will get 9 cube. Now let me write here the answer. Just one step answer only. I won't erase this. In the box, I will find the answer. By adding now. I'm going to add now. 5 plus 3, units place first, okay? 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 25, 28, 33, 40, 49, 9, carried over 4, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25 plus 32, 40, 48, 56, 56 plus 8, 64, 64, 72. So, 729. Yes, 9 cube is 729. 9 into 9 into 9, if you check, you will get this answer automatically. So this is the way to find out 9 cube. To calculate the first addend, we need to write the formula. N is this number. Tomorrow I will give same type for you to find. Tomorrow in our class, we will be finding. This is about 9. So 9 into 9 minus 1 plus 1. 9 8s are 72 plus 1, 73 is the first addend. Then write 9 numbers because it is, we want 9 cube. Get the answer. Any doubts? Holiday.